Costa Rican guide Jose Pablo demonstrates 4 Costa Rican bird calls. He sounds just like the bird.
Hello, Pura Vida. I'm Jose. I'm a birding and naturalist guide here in Costa Rica. And I would like to show you some of the bird calls that I always like to do. Okay, so this is the golden-browed chlorofonia. Also, resplendent quetzal, beautiful bird here in the highlands. Another trogon family, we have the bird trogon in the lowlands of the southern Pacific side. We have I would like to show you the bird Picard. Bird Picard. Pura vida.